be another day here. We're at PIR. So I'm gonna be hitting some areas that I've never fished before. It feels good to be out. I guess looks like I got one. Got a little one. Yeah, he's not bad. That's what we came for. A little bit better one. On to number 3 here. So it was back-to-back casts. I got them. I think I know where they're at now, but it's just a matter of them cooperating with me. Alright. Alright, number 4. Oh, he's okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and release this guy. Alright, we'll catch him another day. Good one. Crap. Alright, let's get this baby. Anyway, I think he's doing it. Yep. I did retie after that big one. So. Alright guys, things, and wife's gonna be off for work here soon, so look out here more than likely tomorrow, and hopefully it's good, and just gotta get ready for tomorrow.